guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. This is a quick impromptu video. I did not plan on doing this, but I am making gluten-free, sugar-free, what else does Emily need? Gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, yeah, paleo meatballs. And this is 1.5 pounds of grass-fed ground beef. And I mixed in, oh geez, 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning. What else was there? Garlic. I put a little garlic powder because I like it in there, as well as the fresh garlic. And I am cooking them in ghee, and then I will bake them in the oven so they're fully done, and then put them in sauce, which is made with sugar-free cans of sauce, which are just tomatoes, you know. And then I'll just I'll dice up a little onion and carrots and a little celery and make, like, you know, cook that up real good with some garlic, and then put the sauce and, oh my goodness, and herbs. But look, I don't know if you can see how good these are looking. It's very hard to see in my kitchen at the moment. Oh my God, they are looking so good. I am going to write on my blog, my knitting and things.blogspot.com, the recipes that I've been doing, so you guys can get recipes, because you guys keep asking and I keep forgetting. So that's going to be my goal this week, to get them done. But these just look, oh, and they're just, I'm just browning them. They're just so hard to see. I don't understand. Plus it's like 50 degrees here from 80 yesterday. Anyway, they look delicious. Very hard to see, but I wanted to show you guys because you always ask for more videos, and I really want to make some really better videos, but I'll show you what they look like when it's all done, and I'll go through the sauce and all, and hopefully you guys will get a gist of what I'm doing. Okay, so that's how much we got for 1.5 pounds, and I'm going to put these in the oven to finish cooking. Some still have pink. They came out really good. I just tasted one. I had Dave taste one. So, like I said, that was coconut flour, garlic, salt, pepper, that kind of stuff. And this delicious leftover ghee and fat I'm going to use as the base to saute up my veg for the sauce. So I'll show you when it's done what it all looks like. Okay. So as you can see, if you can, it's kind of dark in here. I got carrots that I chopped up, celery, and onion, and I did that real good till they got softened. And then I added some mushrooms, because she loves mushrooms, and put them in there, and everything's cooked. I did 3 cloves of garlic, which I don't know how well you'll be able to see that. This is just how I've been taught, and then I do it because I can't add extra sugar to sweeten or anything. The sauce, which is crushed with basil, is what I'm using today. And so yeah, so we were taught to do the carrots and the onion and that kind of thing. And then I'm going to do some tomato paste, one of my favorite things. This is in a tube, and I like to do this. It adds like a really nice deep flavor to the sauce, as you're seeing everything but. And then I mix that in, because you can see it picked all that delicious, can you even see? It doesn't even look like it. All that deliciousness off the bottom. I'm going to leave that cook for just a few minutes. It's going to add such nice, delicious richness. And then that's it. I'm going to pour it into the big pot. I'm going to add the rest of the sauce, leave it cook all day, and for a couple hours at least, keep stirring, and then I'll show you again. Okay, so I made a gluten-free brownie. Making some asparagus. I'm taking some of the liquid out. I mean, not asparagus, zucchini. And then you still cannot get good lighting in here. This is the delicious sauce and the meatballs, which will go over the cauliflower rice.